Israel's Supreme Court has ruled unanimously that the military must begin drafting ultra-Orthodox men for compulsory service, a landmark decision that could lead to the collapse of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's governing coalition as Israel continues to wage war in Gaza. Now, the court ruled that in the absence of a law, compulsory military service applies to the ultra-Orthodox like any other citizen. The historic ruling effectively puts an end to a decades-old system that granted ultra-Orthodox men broad exemptions from military service while maintaining mandatory enlistment for the country's secular Jewish majority. The arrangement, deemed discriminatory by critics, has created division in Israel's Jewish majority over who should shoulder the burden of protecting the country.
The army asks for thousands of soldiers now, and we must bring the religion Orthodox. They are not going to the yeshiva to learn. They must go to the army and do what all the other kids in their ages are doing. If my kids can go to the army, so everybody can go to the army. There's no other options.
This ruling actually doesn't have any implications, any practical implications. It's more of a declaration more than anything else. It doesn't add anything to the defense issue at this time. So it's very hard to give any credit to this ruling. It doesn't mean much. In fact, the High Court shouldn't have interfered at all in this issue.
יש לנו היום מאוד יום לא פשוט, והתחושה שלנו בציבור החרדי זה תחושת השפלה שבא בג"ץ ומנסה להתערב ולשנות סדרי בראשית. מה הם רוצים? לימוד תורה זה לא מהיום. לימוד תורה זה מה שהחזיק את העם היהודי במשך אלפי שנים. אנחנו לא דורשים חוץ מלימוד תורה. ושיהיה ברור, ואני אומר את זה הכי ברור שבעולם, לא יגייסו אף בחור ישיבה.
I very much support the decision of the High Court. I think that we're at a time of war. At a time of war, everyone has to take their part. Israel doesn't have enough soldiers, and the Haredim have to take a role in the future of this country. And part of it is to fight for what we all believe in.
It's not a good decision, but why it's not a good decision? Because the army is not respect Haredi people. They don't respect it. They don't give the way to life, to continue to live like a Haredi.